In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find line 11 on your Form 1040 in TurboTax. This quick walkthrough will help you locate the exact number you need, often used for things like e-filing verification, financial aid forms, and other financial applications. First, head to the official TurboTax website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the same account you used when you originally filed the return for the year you're interested in. If you have more than one TurboTax account, double-check the email or username you used at filing time to avoid opening an empty account. Complete any two-step verification prompts if they appear. They're just there to protect your information. Once you're in, go to the area where TurboTax stores previous filings. This is typically your tax home, and you'll see a section labeled something like your tax returns and documents, prior years, or similar wording. Open that section, then choose the year you want. If you're not seeing the year you expect, confirm you're in the right account and that you actually filed with TurboTax for that year. Next, select the option to view or print that specific year's return. You should see buttons like View, View PDF, or View/Print. Choose the full return, not just a summary or a brief overview. You're looking for the complete PDF so you can access every page of your filed return. Open the PDF and go straight to Form 1040, which is the main individual income tax form. If the file is long, use your PDF viewer's search feature to find Form 1040. When you're on the form, look for line 11. On recent versions of Form 1040, line 11 is labeled Adjusted Gross Income, and that's the value most organizations ask for when they request your line 11 figure. If your PDF shows multiple forms, confirm the year shown at the top of Form 1040 matches the tax year you selected, then read the number on line 11 carefully. That's it. You've signed in, accessed your past returns, opened the correct document, and located the value on line 11 of Form 1040. If something doesn't look right, make sure you selected the right tax year, opened the full return, and are viewing the official Form 1040 page rather than a worksheet or summary. When you're done, keep the PDF stored securely and avoid sharing it in unsecured messages since it contains sensitive information.